Imagine standing tall amidst a gleaming cityscape, dwarfing everything else around. Welcome to the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest structure. This is no ordinary skyscraper, but a beacon of human achievement, reaching for the stars in a grand declaration of ambition. Rising over half a mile into the sky, the Burj Khalifa is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a symbol of progress, a testament to the vision of Dubai. Its elegant form, inspired by desert flowers and traditional Islamic architecture, is a sight to behold. But the true marvel is yet to be discovered. Beyond the towering facade lies a world of luxury that defies imagination. Ascend the high-speed elevator to the observation deck and prepare for an awe-inspiring panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. From this vantage point, the city unfolds like a vast, intricate carpet, woven with threads of light and color. But the experience doesn't end here. The Burj Khalifa is not merely a sightseeing destination, but a vibrant living space. High above the city, luxurious residences offer an unparalleled lifestyle, while world-class restaurants serve up culinary delights that tantalize the senses. And for those seeking a taste of the extraordinary, the Armani Hotel Dubai, housed within the tower, redefines luxury hospitality with its sleek design and impeccable service. Here, every detail has been considered, every comfort provided for, to create an experience that is as exceptional as the tower itself. But perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the Burj Khalifa is not its height nor its luxury, but what it represents. It's a symbol of Dubai's transformation, a testament to the city's relentless pursuit of excellence. It's a reminder that boundaries are meant to be pushed, that dreams can become reality, that the sky is not the limit, but merely the beginning. The Burj Khalifa isn't just a building, it's a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. It's a beacon of progress, a symbol of a city that dares to dream big and has the courage to turn those dreams into reality. Welcome to the Pinnacle of Luxury. Welcome to the Burj Khalifa. Leaving the heights of the Burj Khalifa, we plunge into the vibrant pulse of Dubai's city center. Here, the heartbeat of Dubai is as diverse as it is dynamic. Every step you take immerses you in a symphony of sights, sounds, and experiences that are uniquely Dubai. The city center is a bustling hub of commerce and culture, where traditional souks rub shoulders with cutting-edge boutiques. Spices and gold, perfumes and textiles, every imaginable want can be satisfied in the labyrinth of shops that line the streets. And then there's the food. From the rich, aromatic flavors of traditional Emirati cuisine to the innovative creations of world-renowned chefs, the city center is a food lover's paradise. Each restaurant, cafe, and food stall tells a delicious story, inviting you to embark on a culinary journey that spans the globe. But the city center is not just about shopping and eating. It's also a cultural melting pot where tradition meets modernity. Ancient mosques stand tall amidst towering skyscrapers, while art galleries and theaters showcase the city's thriving arts scene. Stroll through the city center and you'll see how Dubai has seamlessly woven its rich history into its ambitious future. It's a place where the past is respected and the future is embraced with equal vigor. In Dubai's city center, every corner holds a new adventure. As we continue our journey, we find ourselves walking through the pages of history in the Al Fahidi Historic District. This is no ordinary neighborhood. It's a living testament to Dubai's rich past, a stark contrast to the city's futuristic skyline. The Al Fahidi district's traditional architecture, with its wind towers and narrow lanes, whispers tales of a time long gone, yet not forgotten. Every corner of this district is steeped in history. The buildings, once homes and trading posts, now serve as museums and galleries. Each one is a treasure trove, offering a glimpse into the life of Dubai's inhabitants from centuries past. The Dubai Museum, housed in the oldest existing building in the city, is a must-visit. Its exhibits take you on a journey from the city's humble beginnings to its meteoric rise as a global hub. As you stroll through the district, you'll come across the Majlis Gallery, the city's first art gallery, home to a plethora of local and international artworks. Then there's the Coffee Museum, where you can learn about the centuries-old tradition of coffee making in the Arabian Peninsula. These are but a few examples of the cultural richness that the Al Fahidi district has to offer. It is a place where the past and the present coexist, where history is kept alive amidst the hustle and bustle of modern-day Dubai. The Al Fahidi district, a window into Dubai's past, nestled in the heart of this ultra-modern city. As the sun sets, the city comes alive with a different kind of energy. Dubai, a city that never sleeps, is always looking forward. In the heart of the Middle East, nestled amidst the golden sands, is a city that dares to dream big. Dubai, a beacon of innovation and ambition, is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Here, the spirit of invention isn't just alive, it thrives. Dubai's skyline, a testament to human ingenuity, is studded with architectural marvels that defy convention and imagination. But it's not just about the grandeur of the present. This city is equally passionate about shaping the future. From the world's first rotating skyscraper to plans of building a hyperloop, Dubai's vision for the future is as audacious as it is inspiring. Yet, at its core, Dubai is more than just its awe-inspiring structures. It's a city committed to a sustainable future. From its vast solar parks to its ambitious goal of having the smallest carbon footprint in the world by the middle of the century, Dubai is leading the charge in the fight against climate change. But the city's innovative spirit isn't confined to its skyline or its green initiatives. Dubai is also a global hub for business and tourism. It's a melting pot of cultures, a place where East meets West, and tradition blends seamlessly with modernity. It's a city that welcomes millions of tourists each year, offering them a glimpse into a future where technology and tradition coexist. The city's commitment to innovation extends to its economy as well. With initiatives like the Dubai Future Foundation, the city is encouraging entrepreneurship and fostering innovation, making it a hotbed for startups and tech companies. Dubai isn't just dreaming of the future, it's actively building it, one audacious project at a time. It's a city where the impossible is made possible, where dreams take flight, and where the future feels like it's already here. Dubai, a city of dreams, where the future is being built today. Our journey through Dubai is just the beginning. This city holds endless possibilities. From the dazzling heights of the Burj Khalifa to the energetic pulse of the city center, Dubai is a treasure trove of experiences. Take a stroll through time in the historic district, then marvel at the futuristic skyline. Every corner of the city is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Don't wait to start your own Dubai adventure. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating journeys like this one.